Sam Bankman-Fried got many accolades as he quickly rose to prominence as the CEO of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, the savior of cryptocurrencies, the freshest face in democratic politics, and perhaps the first trillionaire in history. Welcome. This is Cryptalk. After the cryptocurrency exchange filed for bankruptcy, the FTX saga continues to unravel. The turbulence surrounding the formerly well-known and reliable cryptocurrency trading platform did not end with FTX's filing for bankruptcy on Friday. Sam, what have you done? After the bankruptcy was filed, Sean Ryan Evans, host of the Bitcoin podcast Bankless HQ, tweeted about it. FTX swiftly evolved to become the third largest exchange by volume under Bankman-Fried. The shocking fall of this fledgling enterprise has caused waves comparable to a tsunami to sweep through the cryptocurrency sector, which has had its fair share of instability and turbulence this year, including a significant dip in the price of Bitcoin and other digital assets. Some people have compared the current situation to the Wall Street corporation's domino-like collapses during the 2008 financial crisis, especially in light of the failure of FTX and other ostensibly healthy firms. FTX assets totaling more than $200 million were written down by one venture capital fund Friday after FTX filed for bankruptcy. The Bitcoin lender BlockFi halted client withdrawals. This past weekend, withdrawals on the Singapore-based exchange Crypto.com increased for internal reasons, but some of the uptick may have been caused by FTX's frayed nerves. The Securities and Exchange Commission and the Department of Justice are looking into Bankman-Fried and his business. The focus of the inquiries is probably on the likelihood that the company broke US securities legislation by using client deposits to finance wagers at Bankman-Fried's fund, Alameda Research. Patrick Hillman, chief strategy officer of Binance, FTX's main rival, said, "This is the direct result of a rogue actor breaking every single basic rule of fiscal responsibility." Early on in the previous week, Binance seemed prepared to help save FTX, but withdrew after examining FTX's finances. It is unclear what effect FTX's bankruptcy will have in the long run, but it is likely to destroy billions of dollars worth of value and increase mistrust against cryptocurrencies at a time when the sector needs a vote of confidence. Corey Klippsten, CEO of Swan Bitcoin, has been critical of FTX's business strategy for months. "I care because it's retail investors who suffer the most, and because too many people still wrongly associate Bitcoin with the scammy crypto space," he said. While officially supporting Bitcoin, Klippsten has long held a strong suspicion toward other aspects of the cryptocurrency world. FTX, which Bankman-Fried launched in 2019, expanded quickly and was most recently valued at $32 billion. Known for playing the video game League of Legends during meetings, Bankman-Fried, the son of Stanford University professors, garnered funding from the top echelons of Silicon Valley. Following a Zoom meeting in 2021, several Sequoia's partners were enthused about Bankman-Fried. Sequoia Capital, which invested in Apple, Cisco, Google, Airbnb, and YouTube, described their encounter with Bankman-Fried as likely talking to the world's first trillionaire. Sequoia made the decision to invest in the business after numerous further discussions. "I don't know how I know, it simply comes to me. SBF is a winner," declared business journalist Adam Fisher in a biography on Bankman-Fried for the company, referring to Bankman-Fried by his well-known online handle. The piece, which was posted on Sequoia's website in late September, was taken down. Sequoia wrote down its investments totaling $213 million to zero. In Ontario, Canada, a pension fund reduced its stake to zero as well. The Ontario Teachers' Pension Fund issued a succinct statement that said, "Naturally, not all investments in this early-stage asset class perform to expectations, but up until last week, Bankman-Fried was seen as the industry's savior." Bankman-Fried was the one who was most likely to swoop in with a rescue strategy whenever the cryptocurrency business had one of its crises. Bankman-Fried stepped in to purchase a share in the firm as a show of support when online trading platform Robinhood was in financial trouble earlier this year as a result of the decrease in stock and cryptocurrency values. This summer, Bankman-Fried purchased the assets of the insolvent cryptocurrency company Voyager Digital for $1.4 billion, providing relief to the owners of Voyager accounts whose assets had been frozen since the company's demise. Now that rescue is in doubt, his influence as the king of crypto was beginning to permeate both politics and popular culture. FTX purchased prestigious sponsorships in Formula Racing as well as the naming rights to a Miami arena. Bill Clinton was asked to appear at FTX conferences, and he promised to contribute $1 billion to Democrats this election cycle, albeit his real donations were in the tens of millions. Tom Brady, a football player, invested in FTX. Changpeng Zhao, the founder and CEO of Binance, was one of these critics. The two billionaires' conflict erupted on Twitter, where Zhao and Bankman-Fried each had millions of followers. When he announced that Binance will liquidate its interests in FTX's cryptocurrency FTT, Zhao helped spark the withdrawals that ultimately brought down FTX. Thank you for watching.